Welcome to TAG Technology's Product Branding Showcase. Hi, I'm Chris Dixon. This video is being produced for you so that you have a first-hand look at what it takes to decorate the components which you've sent me. We're going to use three techniques today. We're going to use a simple squeegee technique, a wrap technique, and a put-in-place technique to apply graphics to your components. You'll be able to apply single or multicolor designs that will help you attract the attention of the consumer. The DuraTAG process is ultra thin, extremely durable. It's a film-free graphic used for product decorating. The transfer can't be peeled off the substrate, so it leaves you with a permanent brand to help you market the products which you produce. Now let's take a close look at the application process. One other application on your cylinder, one of your stabilizers. For this particular application, we're going to do a squeegee technique, but this time we're going to use more of a flexible squeegee for applying this particular transfer around this component. So again, we're going to activate the transfer for 3 to 5 seconds. We're going to position it on our part. We can help the transfer coil up around the part by just kind of wrapping it with our fingers. We'll take our squeegee and again, from the center of the transfer out to one edge, we're going to squeegee 3 or 4 times, and then we'll do the same in the opposite direction. Now I'm using firm pressure to squeegee that transfer in place. Okay? We'll set that down. Now I can come back to the other component and peel away the paper. Okay? I just peel away at 180 degrees, and again I can wipe off that transfer, and the application is complete. Okay? Here you've got a 4-color graphic quickly applied to the circumference of that stabilizer. Okay, I'm going to do another stabilizer application using that same squeegee technique. Okay, so here we're going to activate our transfer again for 3 to 5 seconds. Position it on the part. One thing I want you to be sure is I've already pre-cleaned all of these parts with the isopropyl alcohol. That's why you didn't see me do that. I did that ahead of time just to save us some time for our demonstration. Okay, so here I'm just simply squeegeeing the transfer onto that part, and we'll let that set up. And now I want to come in here and I want to show you a little different technique. This one is called a wrap or a roll technique. What we're going to do here is we're going to activate this transfer in water first. And we're going to just put that onto our pad. Okay, you can see here I've got a pad that's about a 1/2 inch thick. I just lay that on my pad, and we're going to wait for that transfer to begin to release from the paper. Okay, because what we're going to do now is we're going to spray this particular transfer with our Blend 21 activator. Okay. The Blend 21 will activate the adhering characteristic of the transfer, allowing it to bond to the stabilizer. So here I just simply line up my stabilizer with the edge of the paper. I can look straight down on it and I can see that, that it's straight, and that way when I coil this around or wrap it around, the application will also be straight. So I just apply some firm pressure as I roll that across the transfer, okay, and I'll let that one release while I go ahead and come back to the previous transfer. And here you see we've applied a 5-color graphic now to this stabilizer as a partial wrap. Okay. Now I can come back here, I can peel away the transfer paper and wipe off that application, and there we have a 4-color graphic wrapped around your stabilizer. And I'm going to do one more stabilizer in that fashion. So again, I activate it in the water first, place it on my mat, and I give that a few seconds to release. Okay. Then I'll come in here, I'll spray the label, the transfer, the DuraTAG, with the activator. I'll line up the stabilizer so that it runs parallel to the edge of the transfer paper, and then I simply push down and roll the transfer, or roll the stabilizer across the transfer. Okay? I can roll back and forth just to make sure that it's in place properly, and I can begin to peel away the paper to make sure that it's released, and there we have it. Again, we've applied a 4 or 5 color graphic onto the stabilizer that quickly. Again, the great thing about the DuraTAG is that it's an ink transfer, and it bonds extremely well to wet paint and powder coat systems, and it can't be peeled off the surface. It has no edge, no adhesive, and it's just a great way to decorate these components. I hope that this demonstration helps you to understand the application process and will allow you to enhance the appearance and the performance of the graphics applied to your parts. If you have any questions or would like to see some more samples, please give me a call at 815-363-7030. Again, my name is Chris Dixon, and I look forward to helping you improve the performance and the graphics applied to your parts. Thank you.